Hi guys! Yo, today we are doing a grilled buffalo chicken salad. Yes, it's going to be super easy, super delicious, and something on the lighter side because y'all, it's getting hot. And ain't nobody got time to be standing over the stove all day. No, sweating your edges out. We ain't got time for that. So let's get into it. These are some of the things that I'm using. It will be in the description. Follow me. But first, y'all, I gotta make my homemade ranch dressing. Cause what else goes with buffalo chicken other than ranch? Now, I mean, I like blue cheese too, but we doing ranch today. So starting off, you gonna need some mayo, a cup of mayo. I do Dukes. I use Dukes. You can use what you want, but we using Dukes today. Then we're gonna use a cup of buttermilk. And you can use a little bit more than a cup if you don't like it, having the mayonnaise taste. So yeah, you can use a little bit more buttermilk than you do the mayo. Then you're going to use 2 packets of the Hidden Valley ranch seasoning. Even though we're using this, it tastes nothing like the ranch dressing in the bottle. The Hidden Valley ranch in the bottle, no. This tastes more like the Wild Wing Wingstop. I'm sorry. The Wingstop dressing is what it tastes more like to me. So we're going to go ahead and mix this up, put this in the refrigerator, and have it chill while we're going to start cooking our chicken. So now I'm just prepping the toppings for the salad. I'm using some red onion and green bell peppers, also some shredded cheese and croutons. So you guys can put whatever it is that you want to put on yours. You make it your own. Whatever you like, just add it to it. Okay, so now on to the chicken, you guys. We are working with chicken breast. So we're going to cut the fat part off of the chicken. Not completely off. We're going to slice it in half. And this is just so the chicken can cook more evenly. I know some people like to beat it and mash it down, but we don't have time for that. But we still going to cook that little piece because we're not going to waste nothing. Food is too high. So anyway, what we're going to do is put oil on her, season her down really good. And I know I said grilled at the beginning, but this is actually going to go in the air fryer. So I'll list the seasonings I use in the description, and we're going to put her in the air fryer so she can get nice and juicy. And then we're going to move on to the sauce. A little simple buffalo sauce I'm making here is just with some butter, Texas Pete hot sauce, and a little bit of white vinegar. Now, the hotter you want your sauce, the less butter you add. The more mild you want your sauce, the more butter you add. That's just a quick little tip. So we're going to bring this to a little simmer, and our sauce for tossing our chicken in will be done. Y'all, the eagle has landed and she is perched up on this cutting board so nice and juicy. Y'all, when I tell y'all this chicken came out so juicy, so tender. Y'all know breast tends to dry out sometimes. Not her. Not today. No. So now you can just cut it into strips, chunks, shred it, whatever you want to do with this chicken, and toss it in your buffalo sauce. And so we can go ahead and build a salad. Look at the juiciness. Just look at it, y'all. Look at the juice on the cutting board. Y'all, this was so juicy. This salad is so good. Y'all know sometimes when you eating a salad, it just tastes like you just eating a bunch of rabbit food, just lettuce, and it's not fulfilling. This salad is not that. This is going to be it. So maybe it's not as healthy, but hey, it's better than eating a piece of fried chicken. So that's how I look at it. But now we can go ahead, toss this chicken, and let's build our salad. And here is my finished salad. Once again, y'all, you can add whatever you want onto the salad. It's the possibilities are endless. You can even put more meat on here, like bacon, whatever you want, whatever you like. It's whatever you like. So this is the salad, y'all. I'm gonna add some ranch onto her as well. And when I told y'all I got my entire life, y'all, I was just mixing up. Toes was wiggling while I was eating it and everything. So I thank y'all so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave me a message, and follow me on Instagram, please. I'm going to be doing way more videos over there than I do here, because we all know how YouTube is. Yes. And I'm more loud, live, and in color direct over there on Insta. Thank y'all again for watching. Love you guys. Bye.